Here are 7 kinds of fudge, starting with 2-ingredient fudge. This is our most popular recipe on our website at livingonadime.com. The link is in the description below. Let's get started. For this recipe, you're going to take 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, put it in a microwave-safe bowl. You're going to add 1 bag of chocolate chips. Make sure it is 12 ounces and not 10. This recipe will not turn out if you use less than 12 ounces of chocolate chips. Then we're going to microwave this until the chocolate chips are melted. Add a tablespoon of butter. This is optional, but I like it. It makes the fudge just a little bit creamier. Then pour into a greased pan. Refrigerate until firm, and then we're going to cut into pieces. It'll take 3 to 4 hours to set up in the refrigerator. Then slice and serve. Easy 3-ingredient Andes mint fudge. For mint fudge, start with the basic fudge, mixing sweetened condensed milk and chocolate chips. Microwave and then add butter if desired. Add a capful of peppermint extract. Then for this mint fudge, I add a few Andes chopped up chocolate chips. Pour into a greased container. Spread until smooth. Then I'm going to sprinkle a few more Andes on top. Refrigerate until firm, and then we're going to cut it into pieces. It will take 3 to 4 hours to set up in the refrigerator. Then slice into pieces and serve. Easy 3-ingredient peanut butter fudge. Use 1 can of sweetened condensed milk and add in your white chocolate chips. Then we're going to microwave this until the chips are melted. Stir until well mixed. Then you're going to add in your peanut butter. If you use peanut butter, you don't need to add the butter. Then pour into a greased pan. Put this in the refrigerator until firm for a couple of hours, and then we're going to cut it. After it is set up a couple of hours in the fridge, it'll be quite firm. You might have to try a couple of different knives to see which works best. I find these small thin knives work, but you can also use a plastic knife. That works well also. Cut it into equal pieces and serve. Here are some other fudge variations. To make chocolate-covered cherry fudge, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of cherry jam. To make candy cane fudge, add 1 lid of peppermint flavoring and crushed peppermint candies. To make dark chocolate fudge, use dark chocolate chips instead of semi-sweet. To make Rocky Road fudge, stir in some small marshmallows and chopped almonds. If you want to eat better and spend less, please check out our Dining on a Dime cookbook. Go to livingonadime.com. This recipe is in the link in the description below.